Hey guys, Mike Potts with Lakeshore RV. Today we're checking out the Flagstaff Classic 832 BWS. This thing comes in with an introductory price of $57,988 or about $420 a month. Please call me 231-215-2750. You can text me too, or you can call us at the store 231-788-2040. Check us out on the website lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go inside. Okay guys, this thing measures about 36'8", that's tongue to bumper, and the weight's gonna be close to 9,700 pounds dry. This camper features 4 slide outs. Check it out. Look at this bunk space, TV included. Guys, reach out to me on my cell, call or text 231-215-2750, or call us at the store 231-788-2040, or simply check us out on the web. We have a great selection, lakeshore-rv.com. I look forward to hearing from you.